Hi, I'm Aaron Beck, Director of Sales for Suhner Industrial Products. And today we're at Las Vegas at Fabtech 2016, and we're showcasing some of our new tools that have been launched this year. In front of me here, we've got our new line of air tools. We're calling them the Suhner BC Series air tools, a newly designed class of motors that have been designed with ergonomics in mind. One of the main things we hear from users out there is we need tools that are safer, more ergonomic, lighter, and we're worried about repetitive use injuries in the workplace. So what we've done is we've designed this line of air tools right here that are lighter, much more ergonomic in the hands, easily to maneuver, and they offer the power that users have demanded for years from Suhner tools. So this is our LWB. It's a 4,000 RPM motor, and I'm going to have Kyle demonstrate it here, show you the power of it. And what we've done, we've integrated a governor into this tool. So as Kyle presses down and demands more power from the tool, it regulates that speed and keeps it at the 4,000 RPMs that is required for the job. Next, we'll go to our straight grinder. This is our straight grinder extended neck, and this is a 35,000 RPM tool. So for any jobs that are requiring use of cartridge rolls, carbide burrs, things of that nature that require higher speed, this is a perfect example. You'll see our collet system is very smooth. That's one of the nice features about Suhner tools that make them so smooth and really help to cut down on the vibration is our machine process that we take to make it as smooth as possible. So we'll have Kyle demonstrate this one as well. It's a 35,000 RPM tool. You can see it has real high RPM, so it works perfect for getting in those tight spots that you need to, whether it's work on impellers or pumps, getting down into those crevices. It's a perfect tool for that job. And finally, our next tool is a smaller. It's a standard length short grinder, straight grinder, and this is also a 35,000 RPM tool, but nice and compact in the hand, and as he does the work, you can see it holds the RPM as he presses down and demands more power from that tool. So we have recently launched 20 new models, and we're looking forward to showing them to you and getting them into your workers' hands as soon as possible. And now we have the Roto Max 1.5. This is our newest version flexible shaft machine. So the nice features about this machine are a 2 horsepower induction motor. Virtually we've eliminated the need for replacement brushes. So one motor will last you many, many years, and you don't have to worry about the replacement parts that come with your standard electric motor. Nice thing about this machine is the versatility of the speed control. You can control the speed from 500 to 15,000 RPMs in increments of 100. So the benefits of that, it makes the abrasive more effective, it lasts longer, and it completes the job at a more effective rate. Has integrated active braking system, so when you stop the machine, it slows the machine down at a very rapid pace. That way the abrasive is not spinning actively. Has a built-in switch for a foot switch or a hand control system like you see on the machine currently. So this allows the user to have a hand switch built in, easily controls on and off the speed of the machine. And the nice thing about our flexible shaft machines are the ability to interchange the hand pieces on them. You can go from a straight grinder to a right angle grinder to a belt sander, literally 10 different configurations, making the job seamless and effective and saving you money. All right, next we have the new line of cordless battery grinding and polishing tools from Suhner. We've recently launched 4 models, all for specialized grinding purposes. We have the ASC9, which is a 9,000 RPM straight grinder. Excellent for carbide burrs, cartridge rolls, flap wheels. Has an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, about 1 hour runtime, and only about 45 minutes to charge the tool completely. Second tool is the Suhner file. It is the ABC7 belt file grinder. Nice thing about this tool is the ability to turn the head within 365 degrees, however you need to orient it for the job. We have several different arms that can go on this, ranging from 1/8-inch wheel all the way up to 3/4-inch belts on it. So you can do a variety of grinding and polishing jobs, whatever you need to do. The arms on this tool are made out of steel, where some of the other ones that you see on the market are aluminum. So one time you drop it, it bends the arm, you have to replace it. That's a nice feature about the Suhner tools. The third tool is the fillet weld grinder. It is perfect for getting those hard to reach areas, the tight seams, the 90 degrees where you need to remove the weld and also put a polish on it. This is excellent. We cast our own heads. We also make our own spiral bevel gear, so we're completely integrated. And for getting the job done quickly and seamlessly, there's not a better choice than the Suhner AKC7. And finally, fourth, we have the tube polisher battery version. It is the ATC7, 7,000 RPM tube polisher. Again, the head is rotatable. With one set screw, you can rotate the head to whatever orientation that you need. And nice thing about this is you can get a full wraparound on that tube. Very nice and compact compared to some of the other models out there on the marketplace. And excellent weight to power ratio on this tool. All right, next we have the LRC20, a new style air tool from Suhner. Nice thing about this tool is, in addition to the design of the new BC series air tools that we just launched, this tool has interchangeable extension ranging from 5 inches up to 60 inches. So nice thing about that is you can now reach all the way up inside that tube. You can remove that weld and bring it up to your desired finish, all with one tool. And honestly, we're excited about this tool. There's nothing else out there in the market like this with interchangeable extensions. You can also bend it by placing it in a tube bender, and you can bend it all the way up to 45 degrees one time. So now, if you're reaching down in those deep crevices with the carbide burr, putting a flap wheel on there or a non-woven disc, you can now achieve that and finish that job in a quick, efficient manner.
My name is Lee Coleman with Suhner Industrial Products. We're here at the Fabtech Show 2016 here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm with the automation division here, and this year we're featuring our multi-master system where we can drive up to 8 units off of one motor. So we, through flexible cable, can drive our units, and what this is really good for is in drilling bulky parts where you have spindles and holes that are far distances or at odd angles. This gives you the ability to drill all the holes at one time. So it's a very efficient way for high production processes. Another item we're featuring here at Fabtech is our Somex products. And here we have our automatic tool change system with our block and our block spindle and slide systems. These are Cat 40 units with automatic tool changers through the tool coolant, and these are heavy-duty drilling and milling applications. A benefit to our system, or an add-on, I should say, to our system, a benefit to our customers is our control system. We have as an option availability as a complete control package for our units as well, if the customer desires. These units here can be fully integrated into the system and fully modified to meet the customer's needs. The last thing I'd like to show you is our Somex, again, is one of our Somex products, is our deep hole drilling system. Somex makes a complete turnkey system where you can do deep hole drilling up to 800 millimeters. You can see one of our parts featured here. This can, one of the unique features of Somex is we can do a complete turnkey system or components only. So this gives the customer maximum flexibility.
All right, so thanks for joining us here at Suhner booth and joining us for all the great abrasive products.
And automation products.
That too.